Happy Sunday, peeps. Hi, it's Ann, and it's getting increasingly more difficult to make videos because I'm in the Northeast and it's just dark, okay? You get up and you go to work and it's dark, and it's dark now. So I'm catching the last little bit of light, and I want to come to you and show you, remind you again about this month's customer kudos. 3 Splurge Cream eyeshadows in your choice of colors, and our Shine Makeup Remover cloths for come with that for $75. That's a great price because Splurge's retail for $26 each, and the Shine cloths are $20. So do the math, girls. And like I've said before, until the end of this month, while that kudos is going on, I will gift you from me, with the purchase of this month's kudos, a free cream shadow brush. Okay, gotta have the right tool for the right job here. And just to let you know, this is what I've used today. These are 3 of my favorites that I like to pair up together. I've got, let's see what we've got here today. I've got Dainty. This is kind of a lighter color, silvery, lavenderish. Great everyday color. Love this one. I have put that kind of all over first, and then followed it up in the crease with my Noble, which is a deeper purple. Okay, so I kind of went over here, the outer parts with my Noble. Okay, and then to finish it off, I used Dreamy. So these 3 I think pair very well together. I did Dreamy in the corners here to give it a little, brighten it up a little bit, and a little bit up here. Okay, so these 3 colors are one of my choices that I pair up together quite frequently. And you can get those this month in the customer kudos for $75 with our Shine Wipe Remover cloth and a free brush from moi. Okay, so, and in case you haven't noticed, 3D over here, just a base coat over here. Never got to the other side, never got the fibers on, I guess. Ran out of time. Okay, so girls, happy Sunday. Got my Bill shirt on and they lost, and we're going to cover that right up. But take care. Have a great weekend.